What is the best thing to do? 1. Partially enter the intersection to establish your right-of-way. 2. Continue into the intersection and wait for traffic to clear. 3. Don't enter the intersection until you can get completely across. The answer is 3. Don't enter the intersection until you can get completely across. You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is 1. 15 miles per hour. 2. 20 miles per hour. 3. 25 miles per hour. The answer is 1. 15 miles per hour. Near railroad or light rail tracks, the speed limit is 15 miles per hour within 100 feet of a railroad crossing and you cannot see the tracks for 400 feet in both directions. You may drive faster than 15 miles per hour if the crossing is controlled by gates, a warning signal, or a flagman. This red and white sign means 1. You have the right of way. 2. Let cross traffic pass before proceeding. 3. Cars on the right move first. The answer is 2. Let cross traffic pass before proceeding. What does this road sign mean? 1. Slow down if an emergency vehicle is approaching. 2. Always come to a full stop at the intersection. 3. Slow down and be prepared to stop if necessary. The answer is 3. Slow down and be prepared to stop if necessary. You should use your turn signals. 1. When changing lanes or merging into traffic. 2. When turning left or right. 3. Both of the above. The answer is 3. Both of the above. Drivers are legally required to signal their intention to turn left or right continuously during the last 100 feet traveled before making the turn. You should signal at least 100 feet before you turn, before every lane change, at least 5 seconds before you change lanes on a freeway, before pulling next to the curb or away from the curb, even when you do not see other vehicles around you, and when you are almost through the intersection if you plan to turn shortly after crossing the intersection. What is the proper way to signal when changing lanes? 1. Signal and immediately change lanes. 2. Look over your shoulder, then signal, and then change lanes. 3. Change lanes and then signal. The answer is 2. Look over your shoulder, then signal, and then change lanes. California Vehicle Code requires all drivers to signal at least 100 feet prior to making a turn or changing lanes. The section states, any signal of intention to turn right or left shall be given continuously during the last 100 feet traveled by the vehicle before turning. When parking your vehicle parallel to the curb on a level street. 1. Your front wheels must be turned toward the street. 2. Your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. 3. One of your rear wheels must touch the curb. The answer is 2. Your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. You must park within 18 inches of the curb, and if there is no curb, you must be parked parallel to the side of the road. This is on your driving test. Both wheels must be parallel to the curb, and within 18 inches of the curb.